What's up, guys? Today we're gonna fuse these filaments. Well, I need to fuse these 4 to make a bigger roll to make one, but you need a Bowden tube. This is what I got from my old 3D printer. Scissors, make sure you cut everything. Oops. Cut them straight, fuse them, and then I got some pliers holding a candle. Fuck. Sorry, I'm reaching over. So you do that, fuse it. Up. Might be a little messy right there, but it's going. I'm kind of pushing over. There you go. I'm gonna blow this out just to show you, but see that kind of fuse that got it going. And if you want, you could do it over again and kind of do it, readjust it or whatever, make it smooth together. But that's pretty on there. So I'm gonna do that for the others, and it's pretty much how you do it. Thanks. And then just a close-up look on the fuse, just so you can see, that is a solid piece now.